Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to factory reset Windows 11 without password. So if you have forgotten your laptop password or your Windows PC password and you want to factory reset the whole PC, I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, you need to, on your login screen, click the power icon as see from here. After that, you need to choose restart. After you click on restart, just keep pressing the shift key. Now the system will reboot onto Windows recovery environment, Windows RE. After that, on the recovery menu, you need to click on troubleshoot and then reset this PC. So from here you will get two options, one with keeping your own files and one with removing everything. You can choose either of these options. After that, you will have the option to cloud download Windows or local reinstall. So if you have Windows installed on your flash drive, you can click on local, but if you don't have that, you can click on cloud. So now select fully clean the drive for secure wipe or click on just remove my files for quicker reset. So that's actually how you factory reset your Windows 11 without password. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.